Hey everyone, today's Friday Find is at the Hiland Bakery. If you are a Des Moines native like myself, I'm sure that you've probably been here before. I know we were all pretty devastated to hear that they closed. But everybody can rejoice because a fabulous new family has purchased the bakery and they are back and better than ever. And I am so excited for you guys to come and try out all that the Hiland Bakery has to offer. They actually purchased all of the old recipes that were currently being used. So nothing's changed. It's still the great, amazing donuts and cakes. Personally, my favorite champagne cake ever in all of Des Moines is right here at Hiland Bakery. So sadly, we got here towards the end of the day. They're actually already closed for the day. And as you can see, they're basically sold out of everything. But I have no doubt that at, what time do you open in the morning?
5:30.
So at 5:30 in the morning, you can come here and they're going to be fully stocked with the most amazing donuts you've ever had. Seriously, if you've not been here, you need to come and try them. But what's most important is that I get to be here with the general manager, Caitlin Adamson. So Caitlin has a very special place in my heart. She grew up with me watching her grow up. I've known her whole life. So I'm really excited that this family has taken over this bakery, and I have no doubt they are going to make it even more amazing. But we get to be with the beautiful, smiling Caitlin here. Caitlin, tell us what you're most excited about for the grand reopening.
I'm excited about so much about this. I would say probably the thing I'm most excited about is the look on everyone's face when they walk in here. I have seen so many people so far walk in just excited. A woman came in here a couple minutes ago doing a happy dance because we're back open.
Yeah.
And so I'm just really excited to be able to provide that to people, that little joy every single day. Just for being here and being able to provide good quality products.
Seriously, it's like a cult following that this bakery has. So the fact that you guys are reopened has everybody, including myself, so incredibly happy. Now, as I said earlier, the champagne cake is my favorite. We always had that for birthdays growing up.
It is
but
so good.
What would you say the absolute, if you're going to visit this bakery and you're only going to get one thing, what should they get?
That is a tough one, honestly. There's so many really good products here that I absolutely swear by. I would say probably if you're looking for a pastry, the cream horns are to die for.
Really?
Those I actually just tried for the first time yesterday, and they are amazing. Otherwise, if you're looking towards donuts, we have got a filled powdered sugar donut that is amazing as well. And of course that champagne cake, you can never go wrong with that. It is the same original recipe of champagne cake, same filling, frosting, everything.
And Tracy, who is one of the owners here, was telling me earlier that even if I don't want to have to buy a whole champagne cake, they also do champagne cake cupcakes and champagne cake donuts.
Exactly.
What is that?
So that is a raised donut with pink frosting on it. We put edible pearls on top as well, and then we put the champagne filling in the whole of the donut for you. So
I'm sure it's to die for, but either way, this is a place. It is open now, officially for business. If you've not been by, come by, check it out. Come and support the grand reopening of this fabulous bakery in this wonderful little neighborhood here on the northeast side of Des Moines. And we'd love to have you stop out.
Yes, please come by. We'll be here every Monday through Saturday.
And you open at 5:30?
5:30 a.m. until 1 p.m.
Okay, get in here early because I have a feeling that they're going to sell out quick.